Hello and welcome to another tutorial video of the world's most prestigious SilverZone Olympiads. Let's see how to register for PowerPrep mock exams to prepare for SilverZone Olympiads. Open powerprep.silverzone.org in your browser. Click the Get Started button and sign in using Google, Facebook or your email ID. Go to the top right menu and click Add Child. Take a live photo of the child. Ensure that only the child is visible and clearly within the frame. Enter the child's name and class, then click Save. Next, navigate to the Products menu and click Buy Products. Select your class and subject, then add one of the phases to the cart. Go to the cart and proceed to checkout. After your purchase, click the My Study menu. Scroll down to the My Purchase Plans section. Here, you will find your mock test, ebooks, and previous year question papers according to your chosen plan. You can read your content under ebooks, previous year question papers. To attempt your mock test, go to the mock test page. Choose your test and click Proceed Now. Allow the browser to access your microphone and camera. Ensure your device meets the requirement, then click Proceed. Read the instructions carefully, then click I am ready to begin. Choose your desired option and press Next to move to the next question. Attempted questions will be highlighted in green. Viewed but unanswered questions will appear in dark gray. You can mark questions for review by clicking the star icon. After completing the exam, click the Finish button. If you wish to review your answers, click Back. You can recheck any questions you have missed and then click Finish. A summary of your marks and answers will be displayed on screen. You can share your mock test experience with us or return to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click My Progress. Here, you can filter subjects and view detailed progress reports, including your strengths and areas for improvement. By enrolling in SilverZone Olympiads, you are stepping onto a global stage of knowledge, excellence, and recognition. Join thousands of schools and millions of students who are already a part of this academic movement. Begin your journey today and let SilverZone help you achieve new heights in learning and success.